With their swords are still sheathed.
No one uses their sword without my signal. Oh, Barbarossa. We were expecting you sooner. Welcome.
Please cut the formalities, Shaheen. We've come to take back our trust in sailors.
And how do you plan on getting them back? Go on, take them if you can.
Don't mess with me, Shaheen.
You're the one making jokes, Ulrich. Are you going to fight us with the few men you have brought with you?
I'll be fighting you alone. Man to man. Whoever wins gets Abu Muhammad and leaves.
I admire your bravery, Barbarossa. I accept your challenge.
Good.
I'm going to be free and walking out of here in a little while, but may Allah help protect the two of you, my brothers.
I think your friend here has gone crazy from reading too much soothsayer. How will you get your freedom?
I'm Kılıç Bey's son, Ulrich, trained by the greatest swordmasters of these lands. You can't beat me.
I am the son of Sipahi Yakubaha. Not every son takes after their father. And just like I didn't become a Sipahi, you didn't become a Levant. I took you for a tradesman, but you're good at swinging your sword for someone who only knows accounting. You're doing fine.
I told my father that the day of sailing soldiers are gone. These waters can't be tamed by swashbuckling. Allah knows he was listening, but then he got confused when he saw you. He missed the steel of the blade, much more than the gold of the trade. To this day, I took everything I wanted, Ulrich. I'll take your life even if I don't want it. My father will be very sad, though. But what can I do? It's just your luck.
Well, I was born unlucky. And I couldn't just take anything I wanted in life. But I made a promise. I have absolutely no intention of dying before I take what I want.
You shouldn't have left Lesvos, Ulrich. I wish you stayed a Sipahi like your father.
I fell in love with these seas before I left. And I'm ready to kill or be killed for this love. So I wouldn't stand in the way of my sword. Let's not make Kılıç Bey sad.
Come on, then. That's all you've got. Raise your sword.
Oh, you're impatient, eh? But I'm patient. I'm just waiting for the right moment.
Don't hold your breath. That time will not come.
Well, it has.
Where's the man?
You didn't tie him properly, you ran away.
You helped him escape, didn't you?
Are you crazy, mate? Why wouldn't I run away if I could? Look here, our hands are still tied up.
You're supposed to stand guard. You let him escape. Quickly, fan out. Look for him. Sir, Abu Muhammad escaped.
What do you mean, escaped?
Are you messing with me? Son of Kılıç, huh? Did you kill the poor man?
No, I didn't kill anyone. Why would I fight you if I'd killed him? He has escaped.
This is not honorable of you.
Look, Urich. I know that my son has committed a great sin. If my esteem is any bigger than the sin that my son committed, then please forgive me.
I'd sacrifice my soul for you, Kılıç Bey.
What are you saying? Who are you begging forgiveness from? Stop intervening and let us finish this. Let us finally see who's truly the best.
If you want to be treated like a true warrior, first you have to act like a true warrior against your enemy. What were you thinking while you were sailing and took Orige's ship? Tell me, what was your warrior sense then? If only my name was carried by someone more like you. I wish my name was spoken with yours. And not by one who doesn't deserve it. Just look at my son. Orich. From this day on, I will consider you as my true son. From this day on, you are not the son of Kılıç. Go to those pieces of filth you do business with. Make a family out of them.